Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve customer insights with Sprinklr, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve customer insights with Sprinklr, first, log into your Sprinklr account. Once logged in, navigate to the Insights tab located in the main menu. In the Insights section, select the type of data you want to analyze, such as social media, customer feedback, or website analytics. Next, choose the specific platform or data source you wish to explore. Use the filters provided to narrow down your search parameters based on date, location, and other relevant criteria. After applying the filters, click on the Apply button to refresh the data view. Review the resulting dashboard, which will showcase various metrics and visualizations. To dive deeper into specific insights, select any of the charts or graphs displayed. This will open up detailed analytics, revealing trends and patterns in customer behavior. Take note of key findings that can inform your strategy moving forward. If necessary, export the data by clicking the Export option for further analysis or reporting. Additionally, consider setting up alerts for certain metrics that are crucial for your business. These alerts will notify you of significant changes or trends in real time. To enhance your understanding, utilize Sprinklr's comparative analysis tools. This feature allows you to benchmark your performance against competitors or industry standards. Lastly, share your insights with your team by using the collaboration features within Sprinklr. This ensures everyone is aligned and can contribute to strategy refinement based on customer insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.